Some of the world's most beloved tastes began as kitchen disasters. Imagine biting into a food so iconic, so deeply rooted in culture, only to discover its origins were pure accident. Today, we're exploring 5 famous flavors that started as mistakes and ended up rewriting history's menus. Let's start with the classic French tart tatin. Legend tells us that sisters St. Fanny and Caroline Tatin were running their hotel kitchen when Stephanie accidentally cooked apples in butter and sugar too long. Instead of tossing the burnt mess, she threw pastry over it and baked it upside down. The result? A caramelized, golden masterpiece now served in fine restaurants, all because someone forgot to watch the stove. Next, the story of potato chips. In 1853, Chef George Crumb was annoyed by a customer's complaints that his fried potatoes were too thick and soggy. He sliced them paper-thin, over-fried them, and salted them heavily, hoping to irk the guest. The customer loved them. Crumb's revenge became the world's favorite snack. What started as an irritation in the kitchen turned into a billion-dollar industry. Now, let's talk about chocolate chip cookies. Ruth Wakefield was preparing butter drop dough cookies when she realized she was out of baker's chocolate. She tossed in broken pieces of semi-sweet chocolate, expecting them to melt. Instead, the chips held their shape, and the chocolate chip cookie was born. Sometimes, running out of ingredients is the best thing that can happen. Soy sauce, a staple in Asian cuisine, also owes its existence to accident. Early Chinese brewers were trying to preserve fermented soybeans, but the salty, liquid byproduct was a mistake. Over time, people realized this runoff added deep, savory flavor. It became more prized than the original preserved beans, eventually spreading worldwide. Finally, let's visit the invention of Worcestershire sauce. Chemists John Leah and William Perrins mixed a batch of sauce they'd intended for the governor of Bengal. It tasted awful, so they tucked it away and forgot about it. Years later, they rediscovered the barrel, now aged and transformed. The matured sauce was tangy, complex, and delicious. What began as a failed experiment is now a pantry essential. These stories remind us that creativity often comes from embracing mistakes. From burnt apples to forgotten barrels, culinary history is full of accidents turned triumphs. The next time you fumble a recipe, remember, you might just create the next iconic flavor. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.